Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm back to show you how to verify the integrity of your installed Steam games after the big June 2023 update that changed the UI, and it's not terribly different, but things are in a couple of different places. So the first thing that you have to do is find the game that you want to verify the integrity of the game files. In this case, I'm going to do Power Washing Simulator. Then I'm going to right-click it, and I'm going to go to Properties. From here, you want to go to Installed Files and click on the button to verify the integrity of the game files. This shouldn't take terribly long unless you have a ginormous game that's hundreds of gigs in size, in which case your mileage may vary. I have SSDs, so the solid-state drives make this go super fast. So if you have a slower mechanical hard drive, this might take a little bit, but that should be it. It didn't find any problems with this particular game, so if it does find an issue, like it finds out like, oh, this file reads as corrupted or there's something wrong with it, it will delete that file and attempt to re-download it and reinstall that part of the game. It's also worth noting that this is only as good as the developers who developed the game. Not every game is going to properly support replacing individual components, so what you might end up having to do anyway is just uninstall the game and then reinstall it so that you can fix any missing or broken files. But this is one way that you can go to check to make sure that something didn't happen, like when you updated Windows or when you installed the game and borked one of the files, because it happens. It's just sometimes stuff doesn't get read or written to your hard drive right, and it just breaks mid-install. So if it does detect a problem, it'll delete that file, it'll download it. If not, it might just come back as fine, even though there's a bunch of broken files anyway. If you're following a troubleshooting guide, you might want to go back and see what they would recommend after you verified the integrity of your installed game files. And sometimes, if not all the time, they'll generally at that point tell you to try to reinstall the game to see if that helps. If it's a big game and you don't got a lot of time, you might want to try that last. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.